Hey guys, it's Tyra May. Welcome back to my channel. If you can tell from the title of this video, this is the long-awaited puff tutorial. It can't even fit in the whole screen, but I will be showing you guys how to get my famous puff. So if you want to know, keep on watching. I'm done talking because we just want to get into this tutorial. So roll that clip.
So I like to start off with an old wash and go, or you know, any old style or failed style, and I just shake it out to get it ready for the puff. I like using the LCO method, so I first start out with spraying the perimeter of my hair with water, and you know, just to prep it for all the other products. And after I spray it, I just work that water in so it won't sit on top of my hair. And then I like to take a moisturizing spray. This one is by The Main Choice. It's their Tropical Moringa Daily Restorative Spray. And just like the water, I spray it on the perimeter of my hair, making sure I'm working it in. After I work that in, I take any leave-in conditioner. This is the Carol's Daughter Pracaxi Nectar Wash and Go Leave-In. And you know, I just work this in on top of the water and the spray. And then after this, I like to seal all the products in with Jamaican black castor oil. This one is by the Jamaican Mango and Lime brand. So you know, just rubbing that in. My favorite way to do my puff is by using a scarf. When I wear puffs, I mainly go for height, so I find that this technique works the best. So I start by placing the scarf on the nape of my neck, and then flipping my head over, I move the scarf up. I then bring the two pieces to the front, crossing them over to secure and form my puff. I continue wrapping the scarf around my puff, making sure it's nice and tight and that no hairs are getting trapped. Make sure you aren't making it too tight because you will get a headache. When I'm finished wrapping the scarf, I tie it and I tuck the ends underneath. And now that the puff is formed, I fluff my hair to get my desired shape. And I make sure that I hide the scarf. Because I'm extra, I like using the pick to further fluff the puff. Now before I lay my edges, I like making sure my brushes are clean. You do not do your makeup with dirty brushes or sponges, so why should you slay your edges with one? I take any shampoo and clean out all the old gel from the brushes. As you can see, there's a lot of gunk and you do not want this going on your skin. Trust me, if you do this stuff, your skin will thank you. Same goes for your scarves. Make sure you are washing those often because it is going on your skin. Now let's get into these edges. Before I gel them down, I like to take the same spray from earlier just to make sure that my edges are nice and damp. Now with my Eco Styler gel, this is the castor oil one and flaxseed, I dip my toothbrush and I slick all my hair back. If you notice, I'm not putting any on the back of my hair because I just feel like this is unnecessary manipulation. After slicking both sides back, I like to swoop my edges. Just get them real nice. When I find my edges aren't cooperating, I spray my brush with water instead of my hair. And this helps with controlling how my hair reverts back. I like to make sure that my edges are somewhat symmetrical, so I just fix any parts that aren't even. Now, doing my sideburns. My sideburns make me happy, so as you can see. And now I like to take my hard bristle brush and, you know, just lick these sideburns down. Swoop them up real nice for the kids. Swoop them real nice. And that's basically it. And I just like to tie my scarf on them just to further lay them. And after, you know, a couple hours, a couple minutes, however long I decide to keep my scarf on, my edges are laid and slayed. Fluffing the puff.
So yeah, this is the final product. Signature puff. Turn around, get a little slow-mo. Edges are laid. Let me hide the scarf. Edges laid, sideburns swooped. That's how you do it. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something new, a new technique. I use a scarf because it adds height. As you can see, my base is pretty high, so that's how like my puff is able to, you know, stand as high as it does. It has a good support system. That's key. So yeah, if you don't have as much hair as me, you can always use a smaller scarf or a thinner scarf. But this technique will really work for any, I feel like any hair length. If you have any questions, you can comment them below. But that's it for this video. Until next time.